Okay, so I'm about to take this sewing out. It's been on my head for 4 weeks. I initially wanted to go 6 weeks, but I have a style in mind that I really want to try, and I don't know, should I get it done or should I do it myself? I probably just gonna end up doing it myself because y'all know the experiences. I never have good experiences when I go to the salon, so probably gonna have to do a DIY thing. What I'm thinking on doing is using the same curly hair, a sewing of course, with bangs. I don't know if I want to dye the hair or if I want to leave it black. Still kind of figuring out what I want to do, but right now I'm going to take this out. My sister's going to help me because obviously I cannot see what's going on in the back of there. I don't want to cut my hair, so yeah.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself.
I'm about to blow dry and straighten my hair. Now, the last time I did this, y'all saw I ended up having to bake chop because I had so much heat damage, and from the bake chop my hair ended up being more damaged and I had to like shave everything off. I don't want to go through that again, so I'm gonna be very mindful. Blow dry my hair. I'm only gonna do one pass with a straightener, and yeah, so wish me luck.
Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know. Say, where are you? Where are you? Don't be so hard to reach. Just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, cause I made reservations. Too many invitations, and the last night was heavy. I need communication. Tell me where's your location. Used to talk 24/7, every other second, just to make sure we were up to date. Now it's closer to 11, and I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay. Where are you, baby? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know. Say, where are you? Hey, don't be so hard to reach. Just pick up your phone. Tell me where you be, 'cause I gotta know. Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is you saying yeah, yeah, yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. 'Cause you're all I crave, so I wonder, where are you, baby? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know. Say, don't be so hard to reach. Just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, 'cause I gotta know. Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull the drop tops out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', I GDM'in', yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range, keeping it low. But I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Wow, baby, got a hold on it. Don't let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so fair with it.
Okay, y'all, so this is how my hair turned out. Really like how it looks. I did have to go back with a flat iron and kind of manipulate it a little bit to get it to sit like this, and I do need a trim. I'm gonna do that in a few weeks time, but right now I'm getting ready to head out. I just want to show you guys the finishing look and have a little bob going on. Hope you all enjoyed this video. I'm getting ready to head out, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know.